Hello everyone and welcome to week 5 of the reading section TOEFL IBT for IE2. And so far we have learned how many skills do you remember? Okay, the first one is vocabulary questions, then reference question, fact and negative fact questions, sentence simplification. Yes, and the latest one is insert text question. Today we move on to inference questions. So what is an inference question? Inference questions ask you to make a conclusion based on facts provided in a reading passage. In other words, the conclusion is not given directly, and you have to find out by putting the facts together in a logical way. You have to imply or infer the information that they provide in the reading passage. It is very different from fact and negative fact questions. For fact and negative fact questions, you just need to refer back to the passage, underline or scan the information, and find in the answer key. For inference questions, normally you can't find the exact words because they try to paraphrase the idea and they don't say the idea exactly. You have to guess. Normally, there are about 1 to 2 inference questions for each reading passage. How can you know that this is an inference question but not the other types of question? So here are some examples. You will find a question like, it can be inferred or implied from paragraph that, or what of the following can be inferred about, which of the following can be implied about. And if the question makes it easy for you, it will state exactly which paragraph the information is in, so you don't have to look for the whole reading passage. But sometimes it can be difficult, like the author of the passage implies or suggests that. So for this question, you need to understand the entire passage. At the same time, you also need to be able to get what the author means. Okay, so how can you deal with this kind of question? Let's look at some techniques. First of all, you look for the keyword or phrase in the question, and then you scan the passage for the correct keyword and the corresponding idea. For example, let's spend 30 seconds reading this short paragraph. Okay, so what can be inferred from the passage? That music, so A or B or C. First of all, refer back to the passage and you can find a sentence, milk sick, an illness caused by milk from cattle that had eaten snake fruit leaves. It does not say exactly, but you can infer from this that it was caused by the cattle, and the cattle ate snakeroot leaves, so snakeroot leaves was poisonous. So the answer should be C. As you can see, they do not say exactly in the passage that snakeroot leaves is a poisonous plant, but we can infer that if the cattle eat that, and it can get milk sick, so it means that this is a poisonous plant. Let's do a longer example. I'll give you 30 seconds to read through the paragraph. So, the question is, which of the following can be inferred from paragraph 2 about Olympus Mons? What do you guess the answer should be? A, B, C, or D? Yes, I think you guessed it correctly. A, choice A. A is the correct answer. The important sentences are Mars has the highest mountain in the solar system. It also happens to be a volcano. Its name is Olympus Mons. Since Olympus Mons is the highest mountain in the solar system, then you can infer that it must be higher than any mountain on Earth. The statements in B, C, and D are not implied in the passage at all. Is it easy or difficult for you to deal with this kind of questions? I think it requires lots of guess, lots of thinking. That's why I delay this chapter until week 5 after you have finished learning the other skills. And after this chapter, you are going to have the first assignment. And this time, the assignment will take scores. Okay? From now on the samples, on the practices are from your book Activator Intermediate. So I will stop speaking from now. Let's do it like what you have done in the previous weeks. Remember to finish working for the answers before clicking next to have the answer. The answer in the slides is just for you to check your answer. You need to practice your skill a lot. Normally, after each reading practice, you have a mini test. So far, you already have 3 mini tests. Remember that all of your scores are recorded by Blackboard, okay? But after this unit, you're not going to have a mini test, but you have your assignment. And for the assignment, you'll get the score, the very first score in this semester. So good luck with all your practice and for your assignment. You'll find the assignment immediately when you finish practicing on the practice in the book. Thank you and have a nice day.